Romer is a Swiss manufacturer founded by Fritz Meyer in 1888. In 1905, Meyer partnered with the watchmaker Johannes Studelli, forming Meyer and Studelli or MST. The movements they developed met a great success, and in 1923 the company was producing already around 1 million watches a year. The company expanded, and in 1932 Romer started its own dial production line. The demand for its watches was increasing, as everyone wanted a piece of the affordable quality that the manufacturers had achieved. In 1950, the company created its first automatic rotor movement, the MST 410-411. In 1955, Romer Watch Company launched its most commercially successful line, the Amphibian, which featured its patented upgraded waterproof casing. Let's take a look at the most iconic collections. Romer Searock. The original Romer Searock design was made in the 1970s. It combines minimalist design and reliable Swiss automatic movement, widely used in the watch industry nowadays. ETA 2824-2. Romer Rockshell Mark. These watches have a built-in chronograph and tachymeter function. Rockshell watches look very sporty, but not less stylish. These models have highly detailed dials with almost three-dimensional appearance. Romer Superior is one of Romer's most attractive lines. It stands out for its high functionality and combines a sporty design with refined elegance. We highlight the attractive models that feature moon phase. And finally, Romer C-Line Ladies. The watches of this collection are made of ceramic pieces that form a mobile bracelet around the watch. According to the brand, it is the beginning of a new approach to women's watches, where feminine and classic design conveys the spirit of Romer.